Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about today's 5 million daily combo and also the sci-fi 1 million sci-fi of the day. Alright guys, if this is the first time you're watching my video, you are welcome to my channel. On this particular channel I do talk about several ways of making money online and several ways of making money on crypto. Alright, so if that's what interests you, make sure you're a subscriber on this channel so that you'll be notified each time I drop update. Alright, so let's quickly get right into it. What you want to do is to come directly to mine here as usual. So click on mine and you want to scroll down here. Alright, so I'm in market, right? So in market here you're going to scroll down and here you can see gamify tokens. Alright, so click on gamify tokens and click on go ahead. Alright, so when you click on go ahead, you can see that we've successfully claimed our first daily combo. Okay, so next thing you want to do is to come to market again, same market, and scroll down. All right, so you scroll down to this particular place. It says emerging trading 30. All right, so click on it and click on go ahead. So once you click on go ahead, you're going to see that we've received our second combo of the day. Okay, so the next thing to do here is also on market. So come on market and go down here. You're going to see trading bots and you want to click on it and click on go ahead. All right, so click on go ahead and you have received your 5 million token of the day and you can see it here. So what you want to do is to click on take the price. So click on take the price and it will load over there. Coming to the next thing I have for you guys in this video is the sci-fi for yesterday night. All right, so what you want to do here is to click here. All right, so come here and click on in per tap. All right, so just as usual, click 2 times. So you double tap. Once you double tap, it will come to sci-fi mode here. All right, so the sci-fi code is gamify. You can also check the description of this video to get the sci-fi code. All right, so what you want to do is to type 2 dash, then you tap once. All right, so you long click 2 times, then you tap once. So that will give you G. And long click to get first dash, second dash, then dot. All right, so that is our G, and to get our A, you tap once, then you long click. All right, so tap once, then long click. All right, so that is our A, and to get M, you long click 2 times. That's 2 dash. All right, so click and hold, you remove, click and hold, you remove. So that is M. To get E, you just tap once. All right, so E dot will give you E. All right, so that is it. And to get F, you tap 2 times, you long click, then you tap once. All right, so that is our F. And to get the last one, which is I, you have to double tap. All right, so double tap and you will get the I. All right, so this is it for today, and this is the code that have been cracked. All right, so and you can see that the code is cracked. You are a real detective. All right, so you click on take the price as usual to take your 1 million token of the day. All right guys, so that will be all for this video, and I'll be leaving a link to my WhatsApp community and my Telegram community. Kindly join so that you don't miss any updates I'll be sharing there about crypto and other several ways of making money. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like it and also share to your friends so that they will also get their own daily combo. All right guys, that will be all for this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye and take care.